Bakit real girl ang caption? Kasi sabi nila, ano ba yun? Lady boy daw ako. Kinaganyan mo ako. Chef, hello. Dati. Hi, Mr. Yus. Kasabay kang tatuwid. Wala nang palang nag-aalala tuwing nalalasing. Hi, Avio. Basti, hello. Smokey, hi. AM, hello. AM, what are you doing? Hi, AM. From Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu. No, it's konnichiwa. Jose, hello. Hi, Luis. Henry, hello. Wala na palang mag-aalala tuwing nalalasing na palagi. Hi, Dot. Dali, hello. Hi, DB. Gian, hello. Kamusta, Gian? Baskara, hello. How are you, Baskara? ID number, hello. Baskara, thank you. Me Sugar, hello. Angie, and hi. How are you, Baskara? Kabawan, hello. Hi, Junun. How are you, Junun? Where are you from, Baskara? Junun, followed ni ba? James, hello. Junun, you followed me back. How are you doing? Thank you, Junun. Thank you. Followed me back, Jun. Jakarta. Do you have WhatsApp, Baskara? You send your WhatsApp to me. Junun, send your WhatsApp to me. Do you have? Airpiece, hello. Thank you, Junun. Junun, you send your WhatsApp. Do you have? Hi, Pepe. You send your WhatsApp now, Junun. Then I will message you there. I will later. Okay. Mr. Jags, hello. Please, hello. Why later? I need you now. I need you now. Hi, Maldito. Yeah, you don't want to send it now. Jerry, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jerry. Jerry, you tap this what if? Ah, Pepe. Pepe, you send your WhatsApp to. Sumakit naman siya. Junun, you send it now. Thank you, Junun. I will make you happy. You don't want it. Wesby, hello. How are you, Wesby? Wesby, send your WhatsApp to me. I will message you there. Hi, Jean. Wesby, you send it yours, then I will message you. Wait. Junun, you send it now. Then I will message you. Paul, hello. Rocco, hello. Paul, hello. You don't want to send, then I will make you happy. Wait, Junun. Where are you from, Junun? Hi, Paul. Paul, how are you? Oh, Denmark. Alden, hello. I already messaged you, Junun. Hi,